Relativity has a built-in Fact Navigator, and so what are the key components of what it does? It allows you to visualize the chronology of events through this interactive timeline, which I'll dive in just a moment. You can review and drill into individual facts. You can kind of see who those key entities are, the key issues are, the document information summary and the full document itself. And you're able to kind of filter and search through the other information as well. So let's kind of just jump in here. First up, you can see our timeline that we have. If I hold down Control and kind of click in, you can kind of see it moves around. I also can just click the mouse and drag and move the information. So I'll just kind of highlight on some of these items. If I go ahead and I click on one of these items, so I'll just kind of click on this one here, we're going to see we have this sidebar pop out. And you're going to see kind of some of the fact information, the fact description, some of the citations that are linked, some issues and some entities that are here. We're going to show our fact score. It's going to give you some information about that, tell you it's helpful. You're able to kind of see some of the information from the document, and you can actually click on this hyperlink document and it'll load in just a second. We're going to pop that back in and just kind of cover a few other things here as well. Down here you have the filter icon, so you have a number of different pieces of information you can filter on. So you can see I have a date filter. I also have the fact score available here. You can kind of see some of the issues that we have, entity information. Let's kind of see we have a few different data sets in here, some other prompts that we ran through. So I can just minimize that. If I wanted to remove the filters, I can go ahead and just kind of click the X here. And then also if we wanted to kind of run a search terms, you can add some in there as well. So if I wanted to filter on Leslie or Leslie Higgins, I can go ahead and minimize that and kind of go through the same process of clicking and dragging and seeing the timeline that we have in place. And so that is the Fact Navigator. Currently, it's still under development by Relativity. So some features such as being able to print the timeline out or download it with the appropriate documents. That is something that just needs to be done outside of Fact Navigator. Happy to help with that and discuss that. I'm sure that will be available fairly soon. So thank you very much.